5 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, central Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wheaton-Glenmont to near Centerville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Dale City, Rockville, Bethesda, Reston, Bowie, Annandale, Springfield, College Park, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Beltsville, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, and Forestville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.